So you want to learn the art of Baby Tron? Well, if that's the case, you might want to sit back and relax and get you some snacks, my guy. This is going to be a very interesting video. We're going to go ahead and start off with some tips and tricks. The first tip I got for you today is, please, my guy, please do not sound like Baby Tron, my guy. The reason I'm saying this is, fam, like, oh my god, bro, we had like too many other rappers that rap the same, my nigga. Like, bruh, just be different, bro. Be yourself, you know what I'm saying? Most likely you're going to end up liking your own music over somebody else's. So, my boy, just go ahead, do your thing, you feel me? Like, you can use this kind of sound, but like, just be you. Alright, boy, let that sink in, man. On to the next 2 out of 3. The next tip, my boy, you gonna need to get you a quality mic, my boy. Nah, I ain't saying no expensive mic. I ain't talking about no $1,500 mic. I ain't talking about no $500 mic. I ain't talking about $200 mic. What you need is you some Apple headphones for a beginner. I'm saying, like, once you get all that shit down pat, once you get everything down pat, you feel me? Like, you feel like you just in the studio going crazy. You got a little bit of money. Get you upgrade, bro. Get you a mic, get you a headset, bro. You feel me? Get you all this extension cord to plug it up. You know what I'm saying? Cause soon I give me some money, I'm giving you all that shit. You feel me? I'm do a little YouTube tutorial showing y'all how to put all that shit together. You feel me? But yeah, do that.
On to the next, my boy. 3 out of 3.
Yo. Alright, my boy. Third tip, my boy. You wanna make sure everything in your settings is right, my boy. Look, my boy, I'm talking about auto-tune, I'm talking about volume, I'm talking about the way motherfucker the goddamn the presets are set up. I'm talking about everything, cuz I'm talking about the way it lined up, my boy. Cause you don't wanna have nothing too off, my boy. Cause it might sound ass if you do. But that's the last tip, my boy. Let's get into it. By the way, if I ain't said it before, link to preset will be in the description. Now that we in the studio, I'm about to show y'all everything I'm talking about, and I'm gonna show y'all that everything that I just said works, my guy. Like, this no games, bro. I'm dead ass serious, you feel me? But let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and hook y'all up with the presets, you feel me? Look, bro, you got the Baby Tron right here. I'm trying to tell you, my boy, it really get wicked in this motherfucker. Nah, I ain't make the ad-libs yet. You feel me? I might do a little update on this ad. Might just got to, you feel me? He said on you auto-tune. But yeah, let's get off with the first tip that I told y'all. I'm using everything that I just said, fam, so y'all can understand, like, I'm not playing like this dead ass work. So let's get into it. You feel me? We gonna start off with our own flow, you feel me? Don't sound like dude, let's do it. Yeah. Big ass boomer. Oh, what the fuck? Hold on. Big ass speaker in this booming. Big ass speaker in this booming. Got it. Big ass speaker in this booming. He might hit you. Boy, big ass speaker in this booming. It might knock you down. Big ass speaker in this booming. It might knock you down. Big ass speaker in this booming. It might knock you down. Big ass speaker in this booming. It might knock you down. Big ass speaker in this booming. It might knock you down. This shit used to play football, buzzing Westman. I can't talk, boy. It might knock you down. Used to play football, buzzing what? Used to play football, but wasn't much of a playmaker. Knock you down. Booming, it might knock you down. Used to play football, but wasn't much of a playmaker. Used to play football, but wasn't much of a playmaker. It's booming, it might knock you down. Alright, we gonna leave it at that, fam, cause I cannot get that shit. I can't get that bar through, fam. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't got track practice, bro. I had a long ass week. I'm trying to figure out how I want to edit a video. Alright, y'all don't big ass speaker in this booming, it might knock you down. Used to play football, but wasn't much of a playmaker. Used to play football, wasn't much of a playmaker. Big ass round on the Drakes. Big ass round on it. Big ass round on the. Oh, big ass round on the G2. Oh. Ass speaker in this booming, it might knock you down. Big ass rounds on the G2, it's gonna knock you down. Big ass rounds on the G2, it's gonna knock you down. Speaker in this booming, it might knock you down. Big ass rounds on the G2, it's gonna knock you down. Pow, nah, it's booming, it might knock you down. Big ass rounds on the G2, it's gonna knock you down. Fa, tell that nigga get back up. I said, fa, why the fuck that nigga fell? Big ass rounds on the G2, it's gonna knock you down. Fa, how the fuck that nigga fell? Fa, my fucking God, fucked it up. Fa, how the down? Fa, how the fuck that nigga fell? I like Glocks and on my head, chopping nigga no veil. Used to be a scammer, graduated from Newtel. Fa, how the fuck that nigga fell? Baby. How the fuck that nigga fail? Used to be a scammer. God damn, I love me some Baby Tron. How the fuck that nigga fail? Damn, I used to be a scammer. Damn, I love me some Baby Tron. I love that Baby Tron. Damn, I used to be a scammer. Damn, I was gonna knock you down. How the fuck that nigga fail? Damn, I used to be a scammer. Might have said you some fake. Damn, I used to be a scammer and a schemer, right? Fuck that nigga fail. Damn, I used to be a fake. Ah, shit, I can't rap. Boy, what's going on with me, boy? This ain't like me. Fail. How the fuck that nigga fail? Maybe it's that Baby Tron shit. I can't do it, way. How the fuck that nigga fail? Used to be a scammer. I might say your ass some. Fuck that nigga. Fuck that nigga fail. Damn, I used to be a scammer. I might say your ass some fake drugs. Damn, I used to be a scammer. I might say your ass some fake drugs. Fuck that nigga fail. Damn, I used to be a scammer. I might say your ass some fake drugs. For anybody on my dick, tell me something. Well, if you wanna sell drugs, that'll be a plug. My nigga, either way you getting scammed, my nigga come selling you some fake shit. And I ain't about to get into detail, fam. I know what I mean, bro. Get a hop off dick on my soul. Boom, and they might knock you down. Big ass rounds on this G2 is gonna knock you down. How the fuck that nigga fail? Damn, I used to be a scammer. I might say your ass some fake drugs. Scammer, I might say your ass some fake drugs. Damn, with an old plug. Damn, with an old plug. I might say your ass some fake drugs. Damn, with an old plug. He used to be my test dummy. Damn, with an old plug. He used to be my test dummy. That's some fake drugs. Damn, with an old plug. He used to be my test dummy. I sell his ass some drugs and see he'll take old. Sell his ass some fake drugs. Damn, with an old plug. He used to be my test dummy. Sell his ass some drugs just to see if he gon' take it. Sell his ass some drugs just to see if he gon' take it. You feel me? I've never recorded like this a day in my life. Fucking sideways, but it's interesting. So test dummy. Sell his ass. Do it like this for today. That's just for today. I don't know y'all like it without face cam or with face cam. That's some fake drugs. Damn, with an old plug. He used to be my test dummy. Sell his ass some drugs just to see if he gon' take it. Brace it. That's some drugs just to see if he gon' take it. Yeah, I know it was a fake perk. I just want to see. I know it's a fake perk, nigga. I just want to see what go. Hey, dummy. Sell his ass some drugs just to see if he gon' take it. Damn, that boy juggy. Some drugs just to see if he gon' take it. Damn, that boy junkie. Damn, that boy junkie. Shooting shit, this nigga munchies. Just to see if he gon' take it. God damn, that boy junkie. Shooting shit upside his arm. I can't rap right now, fam. I'm too damn tired. But fam, that might be the end of the video, boy. I love y'all, boy. And here go the song. You feel me? If you like this video, I will have some more exactly like this. And I already do have some more like this. But you can check out the video in the middle of the screen right here.